This is Car Guys Talk with Andrew and Tavarish.
Let's see. Joe Ryko wants to know, what is the most reliable, efficient, and cheap car for a person who travels to work?
Well,
Honda Civic.
What year? What year? What year and why? I mean, it's like a
1998 Honda Civic DX 5-speed manual. Done.
So DX would be 4-door or 2-door?
4-door. You need space. I'm assuming this person may have a family.
Would you put your family into a car that is now 20 years old?
Yeah.
Why?
Why not?
Because it's not as safe as a car that was built relative in the current century.
Reliable, efficient, and cheap.
Yeah, but you can get that with a car that is a little bit, little bit
well then,
newer.
Go ahead. What car would you choose?
Oh well, I'll tell you. I will tell you a 2012 Hyundai Elantra.
That's fair.
Yeah, 2012. It has all the creature comforts that you'll need. The power windows, the power door locks, the power. Well, not much more power than that, but you don't really need it. Has a nice radio type infotainment thingy. You can connect your phone via Bluetooth, which is all you need for your Waze and whatnot. And it gets up to 40 miles to the gallon. And it doesn't look that bad. It can hold 5 adults. It can hold a bunch of luggage. Yeah, that's all you need. I bought mine for $5,500. I think you can buy them for less now. And mileage does not matter. So take that to the bank. Yeah, point at you. You take it to the bank. Take that advice to the next question, please.